Truck King Vijay Sankeshwar's story of getting rich has inspired thousands. Vijay made his big leap in the 1970s, starting his own logistics company with just one truck. Hubli of Karnataka called him Transport Tsar. Vijay Sankeshwar was born into a family of printing presses, but he resisted his parents' wishes to start his own business. In 1976, he bought a truck with borrowed money. In his first decade, he struggled to build a business in an extremely chaotic industry and lacked the technology to bring everything together from the truck driver to the customer. Vijay got interest in transport business and in 1976 started the cargo business with one truck that he had bought by taking a loan of 2 lakhs rupees. Initially, he suffered severe losses due to accidents, no communication, and competition. He faced financial and logistical hurdles, but remained determined to succeed in the industry through his company, Vijayanand Road Lines. The company changed its name to VRL in 1994 and began to take its present form. In that time, it has grown from one truck to a fleet of over 150 trucks. In 1996, he launched buses with Vijayanand Travels, expanding his business from commercial transportation to passenger transportation. Vijay, now known as VRL Logistics Limited, has diversified its business. Together with his son Anand Sankeshwar, he runs a conglomerate that also includes wind power projects, media and air charter services. VRL Logistics is a listed company with a market capitalization of over 6,300 crore rupees. Its inspiring success story is documented in the 2022 Kannada film Vijayanand. Sankeshwar previously owned Karnataka's largest circulating newspaper called Vijayanand. Sankeshwar launched a new Kannada channel, Digvijay 24/7, on 4th April 2017. VRL has today grown into a nationally renowned logistics and transport company which is also currently the largest fleet owner of commercial vehicles in India with a fleet of 5,671 vehicles. For more information, link in the description. Thank you.